Hello everyone. Let me share my screen to show you my SEO or search engine optimizations work. So I'm going to go on my Wix website to show you the work that I have finished. And let me edit that one once again. And to show you the workflow that I've been doing, I actually created um, a blog here. Let's see the blog that I've got here. We'll go on our blog and then hopefully this one works. Mhm. We'll go on our blog, which is this one, blog post. And then we need to open this. Which freelancing course is best for newbies? So as you can see it here, this is my first title. And then my second title, general freelancing. So both of them have the same keyword, which is freelancing. And then I edit the text style for heading 2. And I also have the third um, title here, which is there's still a keyword which is freelancing. I edit that as a heading 3. And then I goes actually from my ChatGPT to know more about freelancing courses. And then I just edit this real quick. And then I also put a link here, teaches how to create a personal brand. So if you wanted to see this one, it will go on the internal page, which is my own website. That's the one. And then the other one here that I choose is this is for an external wherein you are going to be routed to my YouTube account, a video on my YouTube account on how to create a content on your FB page, like creating an automation something. And then I also put another outside link that's on the Facebook page that I created so that they can see things that I posted on my Facebook page. So search engine optimization. So as you can see, we're going to check the URL. It's actually critical as it says here. And then I also put the image here. I actually put general freelancing courses, freelancing course. I also put that. And I also put alt text here, wherein you can see I put um, a, s- a, s- a short descriptions about the image. All right, and then as well as the meta description. So what I did is choosing the best freelancing course for beginners begins on what specific skills or field we are interested in. And then I just click the apply. So that's for me. I just have to save it and then publish it. And then let's see if, yeah, the other one that has internal website is this one, wherein it was routed here on my own website, as you can see. So that's for my SEO. Once again, I do apologize. There's no audio on my first created um, YouTube video. Thank you.